Now, when it comes to a process like this, such as sending in a phone for repair, I prefer to perform a factory data reset. That way, when I get the device back, I can set it up like it's a brand new device. I don't mind downloading my apps again or reconfiguring my setup or going a completely different route when it comes to customization, which is a huge benefit of Android. Now, if you're looking to do this yourself, we're going to go back into our settings and we're going to scroll down until we see general management, and then we can tap on that option, and then we're going to look on the right side of the display and scroll down through that menu until we see reset, and then we're going to have the factory data reset option. You would simply select it and then follow the steps. Now, I'm not going to show it for this tutorial because it has some of my personal information on the next page. But that is how you would perform a factory data reset. Now, the important thing to keep in mind is when you perform a factory data reset, it erases all data, including files and downloaded apps. So if you're going to go this route, make sure that your data is backed up.
You